Alright guys, so we're at the moment that we've been waiting for to see the food that Irene are gonna deal with. I've never eaten from Irene before. No, I've never have. So I'm very interested to see what this is gonna be like. Alright, so she's gonna be doing curry chicken, which is gonna be done using a chicken breast, yeah? Alright, let's see.
The water into this cup, there is going to be the maximum of the coconut that I'm going to use, the coconut milk.
Okay.
With the powder. Okay, so the coconut milk, and then I'm going to cut the breast, and I'm going to put the rice to cook.
Okay.
In the meanwhile.
But I thought you weren't making rice. You changed your mind?
I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, you have to, because Jamaicans will say, how the hell did you make curry chicken without white rice?
No problem. Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Exactly. So pieces not so big. Like this size. Like
bite size.
Yeah. This is even better.
Okay, so she says it's gonna be really funny because it's only salt and pepper. Well, in truth, for meat you only need salt and pepper. That's enough, to be quite honest. But if you want a real Jamaican curry, you need your.
It's my.
Okay,
curry.
cool. No problem. Do do your thing. All right, so.
I hope that you're gonna like it. I don't know. It's different.
Let's see.
From your curry chicken.
So salt and pepper, that's black pepper there.
This is black pepper. Okay. You can add also like paprika or chili, but we don't have it.
Okay.
This is like a recipe that is really easy to do with a really few ingredients. So
what I might do, I might make my version and let you taste it one day. Hopefully, I don't know.
Oh yeah,
and
definitely.
you can.
Definitely, it's really full of spices. The Jamaican recipe usually.
Yeah, just like yours, mine is a variation. I kind of change a couple stuff, but yeah.
So actually, it's really easy because from here we're going to put in the pan a little bit of margarine. Excuse me here. And
margarine.
Yeah, margarine, and from when the pan is really full of butter, like 2 spoons, we put the chicken. Okay.
All right. So where's the when do you? Okay. So when do you put the curry in?
After with the coconut milk all together.
So the Jamaicans, when they see this, my people are gonna be like, what? But please, go easy on her, guys. This is her version of curry chicken. Go easy. Yeah, what did you say?
That is like, maybe my version is like when outside of Italy they make the pasta and they put pasta when there is still the cold water. So not when it's boiling.
So basically what she's saying is, you guys understood, but just to break it down, a lot of persons cook Italian food out here and it's not the right way, you know. So the same thing with her curry chicken, it might not be the Jamaican way, and the same thing how Indians might make their curry chicken, our Jamaican way might not be the Indian way. So I know a lot of Jamaicans like myself, sometimes we feel if it's not done our way, it's not the right way. But at the end of the day, it's all about flavor. If it tastes good, it tastes good, and if it don't taste good, I'm gonna tell them.
That is like the pizza with the pineapple and the ham. It's like hell in Italy.
They would never make that.
No, don't say that it's good. No, never. Every time that you say it, a grandmother died.
Oh my gosh. Here's the funny thing. Pizza with pineapple, Hawaiian pizza, is my favorite. So it's my favorite. It's my favorite. But
I will not talk to you.
Oh my gosh.
Anymore. This one here in the center. a good idea, but I put also some coconut milk there.
Yeah, we do that sometimes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Is everything wrong?
You don't have to worry about me. I'm not a picky eater. I'm willing to try different stuff, but I'm sure my subscribers or viewers, once they watch this, they're going to be the ones who are going to talk. Drop it in the comments, guys.
I know.
They're going to be like, what? Okay, so as your pot boils with an excessive amount of water, I have a couple questions to ask you. What brought you to Jamaica? Like, what was the reason why you came here?
Okay, so the first reason is because I just quit my job, I quit everything, I closed all the problems that I had just for leave everything and take time for me, for understand where I can arrive. I never expose myself like in this way. Okay, I always stay like in Europe or in Italy the most of the time, working like 13 hours a day. I was like going crazy and it wasn't life, that one. So first reason, that one. Second reason, for the music, because I work with the music, with reggae music and dancehall music, and I need to stay here for learn about the culture and learn about what they say on the music, why they, I mean the culture and everything, for understand why I love this kind of music so much. So the story about it. These two.
Guys, calm down. I know you guys are saying a lot of stuff here. I was like, what? Just please calm down. Let's get to the tasting part, alright?
Really? Well, we need that. They're like completely white. Almost cooked.
Okay. So I know a lot of Jamaicans, again, or whoever you are who know how to make curry chicken, this method is a bit strange. It's very strange for me as well. I've never done it like that, but I can tell already because the chicken is being slowly cooked that it should be a lot more tender. You know, I always try to go for a curry chicken that the meat is tender and not just burnt or very firm, especially when it's chicken breast. So let's see.
So usually in Italy I'm going to put also 1 glass of white wine. Okay. Just for remove the taste of like the chicken. Okay.
Okay.
But here I'm gonna use only the coconut.
Okay.
So first step, now that is almost completely cooked.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna bring the coconut milk. It's a lot because then it's gonna be creamy.
Oh, okay. You're going for a creamy texture?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then a lot of curry.
So,
like 2 spoons.
Okay.
Okay.
So what you're doing now, a lot of Jamaicans would tell you that what they tend to do first is to burn the curry. There's a stigma or a thought that if you don't burn the curry, you have an upset stomach. I've done it without burning it before, and it's perfectly fine. But I must see today if this is gonna cause me any problems.
Okay, never caused me problem honestly, and but you're gonna try. They told me too that somebody cooked the curry. I never cooked in my life the curry.
Okay.
At least in Europe, it's not
so
common to burn it.
It's not common to burn it?
No, no, not at all.
Okay.
You use it directly from the bottle.
I don't really burn it either. I used to burn it one time, but then I did it without burning it, and it was perfectly fine.
Okay, it's like really light, the color, so I'm going to put more curry.
Understood.
Yeah, it's really light, so must be not like orange like the curry, but a little bit darker.
Alright, so she doesn't mind being on camera. For those who at the beach were like, oh my god, I must see. Now you see. Luckily you were waiting this long in the video. But I'm here really want to try this, to just get a taste of it now before it's even done, because I just need to know. Alright, let me just say, this smells just like Jamaican curry chicken, and I like how saucy it looks. So yeah, this seems like something I've had at a Korean or East Japanese restaurant before. So alright, so we're also having that with some fresh cut tomatoes, because you know the thing's set already. I don't know, Italians love tomatoes, I presume.
Yeah.
One of my first Italian dishes was a bruschetta.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was. It's bread with tomatoes on top, and I was like, wow, tomatoes. But yeah, they love tomatoes a lot. And curry chicken, as you already know, and some white rice. Let's do it. All right. So it's kind of dark where we are right now. There's no light. No. Okay. But this is the finished meal. And let me tell you, it looks really colorful. I like that. You know, I've had curry with this type of presentation before, so this is accurate to that. Definitely not a Jamaican curry, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. All right, for the moment of truth. Before I was a lot more scared of eating it, but I'm not right now. Okay. Okay. I guess your first words today that I would fall in love with your cooking. Yeah. Okay. Good job. All right. No, it's also funny because the chicken is really lightly seasoned, but it's good. It's good. You guys know me already. If it tasted like crap, I'll tell you like, yo, this ain't good. But it's good. Of course, if you have, you know, the Jamaican version of curry, it's gonna have all those potent spices. That's gonna get your mouth running in, you know, different adventurous ways. But this is really good. Grazie.
Prego.
Alright guys, so that was a great vlog today, I guess. Started out a little bit calm and serene, cooked some food. You guys know the whole deal and everything. But anyway, I'm gonna go drink a beer or so. Remember to see things guys love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. Catch you in the next video.